Hello everyone, this is Matt Hoots with Sawhorse, and this is not necessarily for my clients, but this is for my fellow contractors and designers, architects that have a house profile and also have a WordPress blog. And I'm going to quickly show you some of the features that I've played around with and kind of how to find a workaround on how to embed content from your house profile. These are a bunch of garage doors that I saved mainly to show some of my clients the options that they have. But I'd like to share this in a blog just to kind of show people what is available. So to get you can either link to it, which is taking people away from your website, or you can actually embed it on your website. So I'm going to click on the embed code right here. And for this purpose, I'm just going to leave the dimensions and the resolution to be, that size for now. Clicked on the next button. You can also make it a little bit larger if you want. You can go with any of these custom sizes depending on the size that you want it to look like on your blog. So I'm going to click next. So I'm going to try one way that didn't work for me, and just to show you that I'm not sure if this is broken or not, so I'd love to see your feedback in the comments below. But I'm using WordPress, and it says I can use a shortcode. So I copied that, go into this post right here, click the plus button because we're adding a block, and in this case we're going to use a shortcode and post a shortcode here, hit save draft. I'm going to go ahead and hit preview just to show you that this function didn't necessarily work for me. And again, you're just seeing the link. So the shortcode didn't work as advertised. However, that's okay. I know they have this feature in here, but it might be broken. Hopefully they do fix it soon. Just go and copy all of the HTML code, and this should work. So even though they have like a little shortcut here for the shortcode for WordPress users, just go ahead and skip that because it doesn't work right now. So I'm going to go back, create a new block just to show you the difference. We're going to do HTML, and with this, just paste. Click Save Draft so you can save it, and we're going to preview it so you can show you what it looks like in a preview. So what this does is that this is an idea book off of Houzz, and if you put an idea book up there and you post it in your blog, people can scroll through the idea book pretty easily. So if you want to create like a cool concept for one of your clients and you want them to be able to see some of the ideas pretty quickly, you can do a blog post, do a description in there, put the idea book in there. And the benefit of doing this in a blog is that not only the person that you're trying to share this with can see it, but if it's generic enough content that others might enjoy, they can enjoy it in the blog function as well, and also leave comments. So, whenever I find myself describing the same thing over and over and over to multiple clients, at that point I either create a blog or a video to provide a quick link where I can share it with somebody so they can see all the content that I've created. And it also saves a lot of extra communication with the clients and helps educate them to our process, because designing and building is very complicated, and the more content that you have to share with them, it's also available to others. Many of your clients will go to your website, blog, YouTube channel and see that content, self-educate. So by the time they come to you, they already kind of mildly understand your process, and you don't have to explain as much to them. Hopefully this was helpful. And I'm sorry that I was not able to show how basically the shortcode worked, but again, there's a workaround. You can go ahead and use the HTML code just fine. All right, thanks again. Let me know if there's any other topics that you'd like us to cover. Again, I try to share content with my fellow builders and architects and designers because we use a lot of the same tools, and sometimes the tools don't work necessarily as advertised, and we need to find ways to make them work for us. All right, see you soon.